Greetings, Tire Techs. It's Izzy and Billy from Tech Tire and Wheel, and we're back with more tire repair tips. Ready to kick things off, Billy?
Sure thing, Izzy.
Today we're going to discuss one of the most important but often overlooked steps in the tire repair process: buffing the inner liner of the tire. So Billy, why is buffing so important?
For a repair to properly bond to the inner liner of the tire, the surface needs to be flat, even, and clean.
That's right. Properly buffing the surface prior to installing the repair permanently seals out moisture and contaminants and ensures that you're not trapping any air under the surface of the repair, which could lead to a repair failure. So how do we make sure we're getting the best buffed surface?
Well, it's really a combination of two things: choosing the proper tools and using the proper buffing technique.
Great, let's start with the tools. I love talking buffing tools.
Okay, for most passenger and light truck tires, you're going to want to use a buffing wheel that has a fine 170 SSG structured tooth coating to get a proper number 1 or number 2 buff texture. That would be something like our RH140 1¼ inch flared contour wheel for low profile, high performance tires, or our RH102 2-inch wheel for most passenger tires, or our RH107 2½ inch wheel for a wide range of passenger and light truck tire sizes. For some of your passenger tires with a thinner liner, a less aggressive wheel such as the 2-inch S2027 might be necessary to prevent buffing through the inner liner and damaging the tire cords. The S2027 has a conventional 60 grit coating.
If you're working on a commercial tire, like in a truck shop or a retread shop, you might need a little more aggressive wheel. We recommend you also have a buffing wheel with 230 SSG medium coating, like our 2½ inch RH109 or 3-inch RH114. On any type of tire, using buffing wheels with 390 SSG or higher coarse coating on the inner liner could result in buffing too deep, which could damage the casing plies in the tire.
That's right. Buffing to a more aggressive texture simply isn't necessary and could cause the repair to fail or ruin the tire. Tech offers premium quality buffing wheels in a variety of sizes. My personal favorite is the 2½ inch, for example, the RH107 or 109, but we have sizes all the way up to 3½ inches, like the RH120 and RH122. The other key to proper tire buffing is
technique. Stand back, Billy. I've got this. When you're buffing the inner liner, make sure you're only putting light pressure on the buffer. The wheel does all the work, so let it do its thing. Next, keep the wheel moving. If you're pressing too hard or stay in one area too long, the wheel may cut through the inner liner. It could also lead to excessive heat buildup, which could scorch the rubber. Move the buffer in a smooth side-to-side pattern with the contour of the wheel against the tire. This results in a wider contact area for faster buffing and a smoother, more level surface. Moving the buffer up and down or getting the upper nose radius of the wheel tipped against the liner can result in the buffing wheel carving grooves in the inner liner. This case is not a time that you want to be groovy. It's not good. Finally, be sure to remove any raised mold imprints from the inner liner and take it down to a nice and even number 1 or number 2 texture. The shape of Tech's flared contour wheels makes it quick and easy to correctly follow the contour of the liner. Did I forget anything, Billy?
just be sure you're using the proper buffing speed. The industry recommended maximum speed for buffing rubber for a tire repair is 5,000 RPM. Exceeding this speed will lead to scorching, which could lead to repair unit failure.
That's right, I always forget that part. I knew I kept you around for a reason, Billy. For more information, be sure to check out our Tech Premium Buffing Tools video and visit techtirerepairs.com for more helpful tips and techniques. That's all for now. See you soon.